Lesson 4, Part 3, Accusative Case. Last chapter, we learned that Greek nouns take different cases to perform different jobs in a sentence. The nominative case is used for subjects and predicate nominatives. Another case, the accusative case, is used for direct objects. To form the masculine singular accusative form of second declension nouns, remove the os and replace it with on. The neuter singular accusative form of second declension nouns is exactly the same as neuter singular nominative form. The nominative and accusative forms will always be the same when the gender is neuter in every declension in both singular and plural. Observe the changes below as well as the form of the definite article. Angelos is nominative. If we remove the os and add on, that's the accusative form of the same word. In English, angelos and angelon mean angel. Here's an example of angelos used as a nominative. Ha angelos blepe, the angel is seeing. It's the subject of the sentence. Here's angelon used as accusative. Blepo ton angelon, I am seeing the angel. Here, angelon is the direct object. Adelphos is nominative. Adelphan is accusative. They both mean brother. Ha adelphos blepe. This is used as a nominative. It means the brother is seeing. It's the subject of the sentence. Blepo ton adelphan. I am seeing the brother. Here it's used as an accusative. It's the direct object. Now, the order of these sentences is very helpful to us because we speak English, but even if this sentence said ton adelphan blepo, we switch the blepo and the ton adelphan, it would still mean I am seeing the brother because ton adelphan is in the accusative, so it has to be the direct object because that's what the accusative case does. Anthropos is nominative. Anthropon is accusative. They mean man. Used as nominative, ha anthropos blepe, the man is seeing. Or we could say blepe ha anthropos. We could switch the order. It would still mean the man is seeing because ha anthropos is in the nominative. Then we have the accusative, blepo ton anthropon, I am seeing the man. Or even if we said ton anthropon blepo, flip it around. It'd still mean I am seeing the man because ton anthropon is in the accusative case. Now here we're getting to some that are neuter. This gets a little bit trickier. Daimonion is nominative, or daimonion is accusative. They're the exact same form because in the neuter, the nominative and accusative are always the same. They both mean demon. So used as a nominative, ta daimonion blepe, the demon is seeing. Or technically, it could be he is seeing the demon because we don't know if ta daimonion is nominative or accusative because they're the exact same form. If we only have just this sentence, there is no way of knowing if it means the demon is seeing or he is seeing the demon. If we had another sentence, though, we would be able to tell by context. Were we talking about the demon and now the demon is seeing something? Or were we talking about somebody else and now we're saying that that person is seeing a demon? If you have more context, it's easy to tell. With just one sentence, there's no way of knowing. Now let's look at the accusative box. Blepo ta daimonion. I am seeing the demon. Here, the demon cannot be the subject because it doesn't match with I am seeing. Because demon is third person and blepo is first person. So daimonion can't be the subject because the persons don't match. If you have a first person or a second person verb, you can't have an object or a person for the subject except for a pronoun. You could have the first person singular pronoun like I, or the second person singular pronoun like you, which we won't learn for a few lessons. So in this case, it has to be, I am seeing the demon. The demon has to be the direct object because it doesn't match to be the subject. Here's another neuter, paideon or paideon, nominative or accusative, they both mean child. Ta paideon blepe could be the child is seeing, or it could be he is seeing the child. Of course, technically, it could also be she is seeing the child or it is seeing the child as well. Here is it used as the accusative, blepo ta paideon, I am seeing the child. Again, because blepo is first person and ta paideon is third person, ta paideon can't be the subject of the sentence because the subject has to be first person and will supply the I. Now, just for reference, if it was blep ace ta paideon, that would be second person singular for the person of the verb. That also then ta paideon couldn't be the subject. That would be you are seeing the child. It's only if it's in third person that it can be the subject. Here's another neuter, teknon and teknon, which also mean child. Ta teknon blepe, the child is seeing or he is seeing the child. Blepo ta teknon, I am seeing the child. Again, because the subject has to be first person, ta teknon can't be the subject. Now here's the definite article. We have ha becomes tan. They both mean the. These are masculine forms of the definite article. Ha is masculine singular nominative. Tan is masculine singular accusative. Here are the neuter forms of the definite article. We have ta and we have ta, because again, in the neuter, the nominative and accusative are always the same. So ta is both masculine singular nominative, ta is both neuter singular nominative and neuter singular accusative. Summary. The direct object is in the accusative case in Greek. In the second declension, for masculine nouns, you replace the os of the nominative singular with on to form the accusative singular. In the second declension, for neuter nouns, the nominative singular and accusative singular are the same. Tan is the masculine singular accusative definite article. Ta is the neuter singular accusative definite article.